So what if I told you that dominating local search results isn't about luck, but it's really about executing a proven strategy? In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain on how we turned SEO obscurity into a first position ranking for a plumber in Plano, Texas. I'm going to give you an exclusive look at everything that we did, from the website backend and site structure all the way through to our local link building strategy. No secrets. Just real results that brought this local plumber from an average position of 17 to 1.3 in just 7 months. And this client generated over $50,000 in profit in just those 4 months. Now, this client, they signed on in September of 2023. At the time, they had a website and a Google business profile, but both were very much underperforming. As I said, local rank position was in the upper teens on a 15-mile radius. Now, the agreement that we signed with them was an upfront fee plus a charge per lead we delivered. So if I couldn't rank the Google business profile, I wouldn't be getting paid. The first shift that we did was we shifted their website from targeting the keyword plumber Plano to targeting water heater replacement Plano. Now, water heater replacement is a high margin service that is not optional for the homeowner, and it's a relatively fast service for the plumber to do. These are all things that plumbers want more of. Now, each water heater replacement was worth nearly $1,000 in profit to the owner of this plumbing business. So let me show you their call volume from January of 24 through early May. For January 1st of 24 through the end of April of 24, we have 272 first-time calls with an average duration of almost 6 minutes. If just 20% of those 6-minute calls turned into new water heater replacements, that's $50,000 in profit for this plumber over this time period. Here's the rank position of where those calls came from. This is where they started in September of 2023, and here they are in early March with a 1.9. 2 weeks later, it's even slightly better at 1.6. As I said before, this website was absolutely brand new on a domain that we bought in September of 2023. We launched that brand new website in Go High Level. So let me show you the back end of what that website looks like and how we structured it to get these results. So here's the back end of that website. It's on GHL's website builder, which has free hosting with its sub account. It's not on WordPress. This website is 27 pages of content with about 40,000 words total. All of that content was AI generated. And there's around 50 images on this website that were all also AI generated. We used absolutely no stock photography. Google can recognize stock photography, so we typically avoid it, especially when we can just use AI generated images. Here's what the homepage of that website looks like. Pretty basic, pretty plain, but it is a local plumber's business. Now, a couple of things I want to point out. First, you can see there are almost no links in the navigation bar. I did a YouTube video a while back about how link juice, how link authority passes through different types of internal links. Check out that video if you want more information, but the 30-second version is that navbar links, footer links, and sidebar links really don't pass very much link authority at all. Almost all link authority is passed through editorial links. That is, links that appear in text, in the paragraph of text. Links like this one, and all of the other links that we have on this homepage. Those are editorial links, which we typically rely much more on than navbar or footer links because they pass link authority. I did another YouTube video a while back where I broke down exactly how to structure a website to maximize its local SEO potential. So let me show you how we structured this website. Now, I will admit, this is a little different than what I talked about in the other video. And the reason this is different is we're not targeting plumber Plano. We're targeting a very specific service under the plumber niche, water heater replacement. So in this case, we don't need nearly as many pages about the GBP services, the GBP categories, because we're really just targeting one service, water heater replacement. So that's our homepage, and then we target a bunch of supporting content. I mentioned 27 pages in total. 18 of those were supporting content about water heaters. And we had 4 pages about the location itself of Plano, Texas. It might be difficult to come up with 18 different topics all related to water heaters. The way we come up with those topics is relying on the Google People Also Ask section. So if I come into Google search and type in water heater replacement, I'm going to scroll down until I find this People Also Ask. Now, right now there's only 4 questions, but if I keep clicking like this, the number of questions grows and grows and grows. And I'm going to keep doing this until I come up with at least 18 questions that I am going to then answer with a supporting content article. Now, to make creating this website as fast and easy as possible, we rely on what's called a go high level snapshot that already has the structure, the foundation of this website built. So all we need to do is go in and replace content and replace images. I'm going to give you a link in the description to my free school community. If you go there and check it out, I'm going to give you all the prompts we used. I'm going to give you the overview of the site structure, and I'm even going to give you a website rewriting tool that links in with Go High Level and ChatGPT's API to make rewriting this website as fast as possible. This entire 27-page website took my team roughly 8 hours to build, and that's everything. That's writing all the content, that's posting it on the high-level website builder, and it's swapping out all of the images and building new internal links. Before ChatGPT, a 40,000-word, 27-page website would easily cost $5,000 or more. Now we can do them for $500. So let's talk about links. Now, there are a few sources we use for links. Primarily, we used the ice cream truck shop, okay? And we sourced one link to each of the articles that we wrote and 5 links to the homepage. So that's 31 links in total. Using the price structure at the ice cream truck shop, that's roughly $1,089 just for the links. We also joined the Chamber of Commerce. That was another $200. In addition to that, we did citations, we did a press release, we did social signals, and we did blog comment links all to the homepage. That totaled another $550. So the website links, external signals, the content, the development time, all in, I was at around $2,200, including the cost to join the local Chamber of Commerce in Dallas, Texas. Now, that is for a website that generated $50,000 in profit in just 4 months. Okay, so that's it. That's what we did. That's all we did. There's nothing secret that we did that I didn't just show you. Okay, we had 3 steps that we used to rank for water heater replacement Plano. First, we built a new website focused on that very specific target keyword. Second, we generated a lot of supporting content, again, for that specific keyword based on Google's People Also Ask section. We sourced external trust signals, links, the press release, social signals, and of course the Chamber of Commerce membership, all to this new website. And it took around 4 months for this brand new domain to start to rank and start to get a lot of calls for this high ticket service. So a $2,200 investment yielded $50,000 in profits in under a year. This is a stunning ROI, and it's a good reason to pay attention to local SEO, whether you're a business owner yourself or you're just starting an agency. Now, if you want to see the exact Facebook ad campaign that I was running to land this particular client, I want you to check out this video where I break down everything about that Facebook ad campaign. I'm going to show you the ad copy, the images, ad cost, the lead cost, and on and on and on in complete transparency for how we landed this client and 29 others in just 30 days.